How to fix Atc.sys blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, this blue screen error occurs because of Bitdefender antivirus installed on your computer. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, run Bitdefender uninstall tool. For this, launch a browser, type Bitdefender uninstall, press enter, click on this link, check which version is installed on your computer, whether it is a paid version or trial version. On my computer, trial version is installed, so I am clicking trial version. You can click on paid version if paid version is installed on your computer. On my computer, Bitdefender Total Security is installed, so I am downloading this uninstaller. Find the correct uninstall tool from this list and download it. Once downloading is completed, click on the setup file. I want to uninstall Bitdefender. Click on uninstall. After Bitdefender has been successfully removed, click on restart. And after restarting your computer, use clean boot to fix the blue screen error. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, select services from the menu bar. Check the box for hide all Microsoft services. Check the box for hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Now go to the startup tab and click on the link saying open task manager. Make sure that all the programs are disabled in the status column. If any program is showing enabled, disable it. For disabling, simply right click on the program and you will find is here disable. Click on it, disable all the program and close the task manager. Then click on apply and click on OK. Click on restart. After restarting, the BSOD should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.